Welcome to our roundup of the top 4 smart mirrors to upgrade your morning routine. From mirrors that double as smart TVs to vanity setups with built-in Bluetooth speakers, these innovative products are designed to make your daily routine smarter and more efficient. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Solaka Smart Touchscreen Magic Mirror, a 32-inch full HD smart TV cleverly integrated into a frameless modern mirror. Powered by Android, it lets you stream your favorite content or download apps without needing an extra TV box. Its IP66 waterproof rating makes it a perfect choice for bathrooms and kitchens, while its versatile mounting options, recessed or surface-mounted, blend effortlessly with any decor. With 1920 by 1080 resolution, crisp visuals and Bluetooth-enabled speakers, your morning routine will surely be an enjoyable experience. The EvaCore LED Smart Bathroom Mirror is another great choice. Its smart touch sensor switch allows you to toggle between 3 adjustable lighting options, ensuring ideal brightness for every moment of your day. A dimmable feature with memory functionality lets you create the perfect ambience, while the real-time weather forecast feature connects to your home network to keep you informed as you get ready. The mirror's anti-fog function also ensures a clear reflection, even after a hot shower. Built to last, the EvaCore mirror features high-quality tempered glass for enhanced durability and an IP54 waterproof rating to withstand humid environments. Looking for a round smart mirror? Then we have the April Soul LED Round Bathroom Mirror. Featuring dual illumination with front and back lights, its 240 LEDs deliver up to 3,000 lumens for clear, vibrant lighting. You can customize your space with 3 color temperatures, warm, natural, and white, and fine-tune brightness levels from 5% to 100%. The smart memory function ensures your preferred settings are restored even after power outages. Its built-in defogger clears reflections in just 5-10 minutes, while a 1-hour auto-off feature conserves energy. The Hasipu Vanity Mirror takes your beauty routine to the next level with its innovative features and stylish design. A built-in Bluetooth speaker allows you to enjoy your favorite music and podcasts or take calls hands-free while getting ready. Its LED light strip with a lifespan of 50,000 hours not only illuminates perfectly, but also dances to your music for an enchanting effect. Choose from 3 color lighting modes, warm, natural, and cold white, and adjust brightness levels from 0% to 100% to match your needs. Smart touch controls and a memory function ensure your preferred lighting and settings are saved for seamless daily use. Designed for versatility, the mirror can be wall-mounted or placed on a tabletop using its detachable base, fitting effortlessly into any space. That wraps up our roundup of the top 4 smart mirrors to upgrade your morning routine. Whether you're planning a bathroom upgrade or looking for a high-tech beauty station, there's something here for everyone. If one of these caught your attention, check the links below to explore further. And don't forget to let us know in the comments which smart mirror you'd love to have in your home.